Welcome back to my channel. First, let's have a glimpse of my channel and the videos that I upload on my channel. I am not very regular as time does not permit, and I work all alone by myself managing YouTube channel and the various blogs. Today I am going to share my complete blogging story from present to date, like how I started blogging, why I started blogging, when I started blogging, which platforms I started with, how I fared, and what I did thereafter. And I will also share in this video my first $100 earnings. To reach this level, how much I struggled, and to tell you the fact, I am still struggling in blogging. I will share with you everything in this video so that this video becomes very interesting and mind blowing. People always like to hear and listen to stories. So here is a true story of my blogging career so far. I am keeping this video short so that you guys don't get bored because time is precious. Therefore, hit that like button and do not forget to share with me your important thoughts. It all started in 2019, just before the COVID. I got inspired by watching some videos on YouTube regarding blogging. I did not know anything about blogging and I had no knowledge about coding. I was a big zero, complete zero. I kept watching several videos and finally I decided to create my first blog. I did not know that beside Blogspot there existed another platform called WordPress. I created my first blog on travel and it was called Goa My Goa. During the creation of my first blog, I had to face several problems and I kept watching each and every video again and again so that I got my work done properly. In this manner, I kept solving each problem after watching a video on YouTube. Without understanding what is AdSense, I applied for AdSense and obviously it got rejected. It took me almost a year to understand and solve the errors on my blog. After that, for almost 5 to 6 months, I was away on a job. Then, after coming back, I started blogging all over again. That was in 2021. After 2-3 months, I booked my first domain and shifted to WordPress. Again, to learn installation, creating categories and menus, and understanding Yoast SEO, or what you call the site optimization, was a big headache. The first thing that I had to learn was about how to migrate a site from Blogspot to WordPress. The migration was not properly done. It had some errors, so I had to start all over again and I installed a completely fresh site in WordPress. To get some impression and clicks took me again another 4 to 6 months, and then little by little I started getting some traffic. Since I had to invest on hosting, I watched some videos on YouTube and then finally decided to buy the best hosting, and that was DreamHost. I thought that instantly I will get huge traffic. So I thought that DreamHost will handle all the traffic for me, without realizing that to get so much traffic within a period of 6 months was not a piece of cake. During this period, I created a regional language lyric site because I didn't want to spend or invest again by buying another domain. The process of learning about blogging was there the whole day. I was like working for 12 to 13 hours daily, just taking lunch and dinner breaks. I realized that I made a big mistake by investing on DreamHost hosting, because DreamHost is quite expensive and I made a big blunder. I bought DreamHost hosting for 3 years and that cost me a lot of money. I made a big mistake by investing on DreamHost because DreamHost is little expensive. I should have gone for a cheaper hosting. During this period, I kept on creating different niches site, and now I have altogether 14 sites running, out of which 6 I am working on every day, and it is giving me little income and few cents here and there. Now I will share with you my first $100 earnings. You can see here that I have reached the $100 for the month of November 2023. To reach the $100 threshold, it took me more than 1.5 years to be precise. If you see down, you can see that I earned $104.86. This was a combined payment from YouTube and blogging. As you know, thereafter, from March 2022, YouTube and blogging got separated. So this is my first payment that I received from blogging after the separation. So from all these years, from 2021 to 2022, during this period, whatever few cents like 2 cents or 6 cents or 8 cents per month that I was earning was getting combined with my YouTube payments. So that means this is my first separate $100 payment. Hard earned money, my friend. Blogging is not easy. It is easy for some and very difficult for some, just like me. After creating blog, I had to work on getting or generating traffic onto my blogs, and that was again a very difficult task. Traffic does not come easily. I do work on social medias, and you also should work on social medias to get traffic here and there for your different sites. So by working on social media's platform here and there, I generated few traffic. My traffic is mostly organic, and I will work on it to increase little more here and there. Next, I did not create any backlinks, and my sites are ranking on the first page. So it means that backlinks are not that important. You can still rank and defeat all the high authority sites by creating good content. Now that was my blogging phase, how I earned $100 and my very first payment. When I started blogging, I thought that blogging is easy and I will earn in thousands. The videos that I watched on YouTube were really motivational videos, and it looked that blogging is very easy by watching these videos. So sometimes now in this present situation, I think that blogging is not easy and it is better to work 9 to 6 job. Let me ask you one question, my friend. Do you like to read stories? Do you like to write stories? And do you like to work on laptop the whole day? If yes, then you should go for blogging. Go for blogging if you love your job. Blogging is not easy. You got to be consistent all day, full day, and every day. And the most important thing is you have to be motivated all the time. Do not get demotivated, because blogging is not easy and miracles does not happen overnight. Like for few years, you will not make any profit because you have to spend on hosting, you have to spend on purchasing domains and renewing them. You are also investing on internet, and then also you are spending money on electricity. So that means during the first few years, whatever you earn, you are spending or you are reinvesting again. So altogether, there is no profit for few years. But remember this, it is a very good long-term investment, because in case during any phase of your life you don't have a job, you have blogging. After your retirement, you don't have a job, but you have blogging. That means you have a job in your hand all your life. You know, writing articles takes a lot of time. For me, I just write one article because I'm alone and I cannot write more than one article, because writing articles is really a time consuming. So my suggestion is work as a team. Work with your friends like you build a team of 2 3 guys. So all in all, go for blogging. It is a long time investment. Do not give up. Keep motivating yourself. So my suggestion is to you that you create your one blog, first blog, and write articles every day. Keep yourself motivated. So all in all, go for blogging. It is a long time investment. Just keep posting articles daily. Don't give up. And only after the success of your first blog, then you start creating more blogs. So I think I should end my first motivational video. I can share with you a lot of things. Keep asking your questions and I will be glad to answer them. I love to read your comments. The comment section is free and it is all yours. Well, take care until I see you again in my next video. Bye bye.